Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. I was going out for a workout when I suddenly noticed a pothos growing by the roadside. I had walked past it several times, but today I decided to stop. Not because the plant was particularly beautiful, but because I had an idea. Could I bring it home and turn it into a beautiful houseplant? Today I will try to do exactly that, using a simple method and some ingredients that are readily available in the kitchen. Let's get started. First, let's prepare an organic fertilizer solution to support cleaning the plant and limiting fungal and bacterial growth. The ingredient I am using today is red onion. Red onion is not only a familiar ingredient in the kitchen, but it can also support the process of caring for and protecting plants. Use a knife to cut the red onion into thin slices as shown in the video. Red onion contains natural sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Cutting it into small pieces will increase the surface area in contact with the water, thereby helping extract the natural compounds from the red onion more effectively. Put all of the sliced red onion into a clean glass cup. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, add 500 milliliters of hot water to the cup to help extract the natural compounds from the red onion. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so that the red onion absorbs the water and its nutrients dissolve more effectively. Finally, cover the cup and let the solution steep for about 1 hour so that the natural compounds from the red onion can be released into the water. While waiting, I will wash the plant thoroughly under running water. This will help remove dirt, old soil, and substances that have accumulated on the stems, leaves, and roots. At the same time, clean water will wash away any remaining dirt, making the plant cleaner and allowing us to more easily observe the condition of the roots, leaves, and any abnormalities before moving on to the next care steps. Place the plant in a dry, cool, well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. This helps reduce water loss, minimize stress after cleaning, and create a stable environment for the plant to recover. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I will filter out all of the plant material and keep only the cleared liquid. This is the red onion solution we will use to help care for the plant. What problem does your plant struggle with the most this season? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story and help if I can. 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. At this point, place the plant in the red onion solution and soak it for about 15 minutes. At the same time, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the red onion solution, then gently wipe each leaf of the pothos. The red onion solution will help remove dust and substances stuck to the surface of the leaves, while also helping limit fungal and bacterial growth, keeping the leaves clean, well ventilated, and making it easier to observe any abnormalities. After 15 minutes, gently lift the pothos out of the red onion solution and prepare for the next planting step. At this point, prepare a plastic cup as shown in the video. Place the pothos inside and add a moderate amount of water to the bottom of the cup so that the roots can come into contact with the water, but the entire base and stem are not submerged in water. Then, place the plant in a dry, cool, well-ventilated area with indirect light. Avoid moving the plant during this stage so that it has a stable environment and can focus its energy on forming and developing new roots. With consistent care for about 30 days, you will begin to notice significant changes. After 30 days, gently check the plant. You may see new white roots beginning to emerge, gradually becoming longer and attaching more firmly to the growing environment. This is a positive sign that the pothos is developing roots and gradually recovering. Once the root system has developed steadily, the plant will have a strong foundation to continue producing new leaves and growing healthily. At this point, prepare the potting soil as shown in the video. The growing medium consists of 50% coconut coir. Coconut coir has the ability to retain moisture, create a loose structure, and provide space for the roots to develop. "50% garden soil. Garden soil contains many natural minerals and organic matter, helping provide the necessary nutrients for the plant. Put all the ingredients into a clean container, then mix the growing media thoroughly so that the coconut coir and garden soil are evenly distributed, creating a loose mixture that retains moisture while also supporting good drainage for the roots. If you're enjoying these plant care tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, effective gardening advice. Tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Next, prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom, as shown in the video. These holes allow excess water to drain out, preventing the growing medium from retaining water for too long. Next, spread a layer of potting soil across the bottom of the pot. This layer will provide a foundation for the roots and help stabilize the plant after repotting. Place the plant in the center of the pot, adjusting it so that it stands upright and the roots are evenly distributed without being curled or compressed. Then, gradually add a layer of soil around and over the roots, just enough to secure the plant without compacting the soil too tightly. If you want to learn the secrets to caring for all kinds of houseplants, be sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Your plants can become healthier, grow strong new roots, and produce beautiful blooms throughout the year. Finally, gently press the soil around the base so that the plant stands firmly. That's it. We have finished repotting the pothos. At this point, place the plant in a dry, cool, well-ventilated area for about 3 days so that it can stabilize after repotting. During this time, if the growing medium begins to dry out, you can water a small amount of clean water around the base, maintaining the necessary moisture for the roots without causing waterlogging. At the same time, avoid placing the plant under direct sunlight and minimize moving the pot so that the plant has time to adapt to its new environment. After 3 days, prepare a natural fertilizer solution to continue supporting the plant. The ingredient I am using today is banana peel. Banana peels are not only something that is commonly discarded, but they also contain potassium, a small amount of phosphorus, and various organic compounds, which can provide additional nutrients and support healthy plant growth. Use a knife to cut the banana peel into small pieces, as shown in the video. Cutting it into small pieces will increase the surface area in contact with water, thereby helping the nutrients and natural compounds in the banana peel to be extracted more effectively, and making it easier to prepare a solution for the plant. Put all of the chopped banana peel into a clean glass cup. Next, I will combine rice with the banana peel to provide additional natural nutrients for the plant. Rice contains starch, some B vitamins, and minerals, which can support plant growth and recovery. Add 3 tablespoons of rice to the cup together with the banana peel. Next, pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the banana peel and rice mixture. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so that the ingredients absorb the water and blend together, helping the natural nutrients to be released into the solution. Finally, cover the cup and let it steep for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I will filter out the solid residue, keeping only the clear liquid for use on the plant. Add 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution, making it milder and more convenient to use on the plant. At this point, pour the banana peel and rice solution into a spray bottle. Then, close the bottle tightly and store it in the refrigerator. With this method, you can keep it for about 3 to 5 days without worrying about it spoiling, while also saving time and ingredients. For the remaining solution, gently water it directly around the base of the pothos. The banana peel and rice water solution will help provide natural nutrients, support healthy root development, help the plant recover, and encourage new leaf and stem growth. Simply water enough to moisten the growing medium, avoiding leaving excess water around the roots for a long time. After 3 days, when the plant has dried and stabilized, take the solution stored in the refrigerator out. Shake it gently and pour it into a clean spray bottle. Then, spray a thin mist over the stems and leaves, avoiding excessive spraying that could leave the plant wet for too long. Result: after a period of consistent care, the plant will gradually grow healthier, with greener, cleaner, and stronger leaves. Once the plant has stabilized, you can place it in the living room near a window with indirect light so that it can grow well while also enhancing the beauty of your living space. Alternatively, you can place the plant on a well-ventilated balcony, but avoid strong direct sunlight for extended periods. The most important thing is to always monitor the moisture level of the growing medium and adjust the amount of water accordingly so that the plant can grow healthily. What do you think about this care method? Leave a comment below and share your results with us. In the next video, what plant would you like me to care for or propagate? Leave the name of the plant in the comments. It might become the topic of the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you don't miss the next useful plant care and propagation methods. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.